guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm so glad you can join me today. It's been a bit and I had some time to do a video, so I thought I'd pop on and share some fall goodies with you guys. So I just listed some yummy fall, this calls for confetti, so I'm going to share that with you. But first I'm going to share some stamps, some fall stamps that are available, also a new Darcy's fall release, so please stay tuned. I wanted to show you two stamp sets that I restocked and that I am passionate about because I illustrated both of these stamp sets. This one here is called Pumpkin Spice Season. I just love the stamp set. I think the cards turned out super cute. You do get a pumpkin spice latte and these really cute pumpkins, some leaves, a little pumpkin candy that you can put on top of your little latte, or you could stamp it right here on the cozy. There's a cinnamon stick, a couple of smiley faces, some steam or wind, and two sentiments. I love fall most of all, and happy pumpkin spice season. So let me share the cards that I did using this. I do also have these pumpkins in digital form. So this card was made with the digital stamp, so you can make those pumpkins bigger like I did, or smaller. So if you want to grab a digital, I think it's listed under the stamp section, and then if you hover down you'll see digital stamps. So here's a card that I did with the cute little faces. Now you get a totally different look when you add the faces, as you can see. And this one I stamped the little pumpkin on the cozy and then had it inside the drink with some cinnamon sticks. This one was more of a clean and simple look. Did some masking to make a little scene. And then this one's my favorite card. I just love the colors, and I paper pieced the cozies with patterned paper and did some foiling in the background. It just turned out super, super gorgeous. So that was the Pumpkin Spice Season stamp sets. And then the other one is called Pumpkin Spice Everything. And you get two cute scenes and this little splatter here to decorate with. And the sentiments: stay cozy, thanks a latte, coffee is always better with a friend, pumpkin spice everything, and warm hugs. And then here's the card I did. And I think I used the leaves from the other stamp set, and then also added the splatter around to make a little frame, and then pop this up. Use the sentiment down here at the bottom. So the new stamp set, Spooky Sweet, I still have a handful left of this stamp set. The bundle unfortunately has sold out, but I was able to reorder the paper pad. So that will be back in stock late this month. So if you want to sign up for the waiting list, you'll get a little notification when I list the paper pad. So I did start coloring these cute little gnomes, and you could always just pick up the stamp and then use your own Halloween paper that you have and just color them to match your papers. Here's another good one. This is the Ghostly Greetings stamp set, and the ghosts are super cute. The sentiments read Happy Halloween, Ghostly, Boo, and Beautiful. And then on this cauldron here it says Happy Halloween. And I have two card samples. So how fun is that? I just love it. So really fun to make some night scenes and have your ghosts like glowing. This one is the Happy Halloween stamp set. I mixed it in with this stamp set. I might have a few left. You'll find that in the Not Too Shabby section in the shop. I think I might have a few. But anyways, really cute stamp sets. This next one here is called Autumn Fun. It's got the scarecrow and some sunflowers with the fence. Another cute one. We've got a little thank you in there. Hello Autumn. Fall is the season of change. And then there is the card sample. For this last stamp set here, my remaining inventory, I did put it on clearance, so you can get this one for a deep, deep discount. It's got a lot of cute critters in here. The sentiments that read Happy Halloween, or Happy for the B, Halloween, trick or treat, eek, boo, super fun. So let's get into the Darcy's release. So we got 4 cute stamp sets. Those are just too cute. So we've got the pumpkin spice one with a cute little pumpkin spice cup, a cute pumpkin with a happy face, the sentiments happy fall, count your blessings, pumpkin spice, all the things. I totally agree with that. And then this one here is called Stinkin' Fun. We've got a skunk and a raccoon. And we've got the sentiments. Hope your Halloween is stinkin' fun. It's Halloween. Let's stay up late and eat garbage. Yes, let's eat lots of candy, right? And then we've got Cast a Spell, a cute witch, a cauldron filled with candies. We've got an eyeball, a candy corn, a little peppermint. And the sentiments, a touch of magic, a pinch of fright. Hocus pocus, I need candy to focus. Cast a spell this festive night. Got some rhyming going on. And then this one is called Wee Bits Wicked. We've got the devil girl and a cute little squirrel holding an acorn that looks like the acorn is spooked. And the sentiments read, you're just a wee bit wicked. Nuts about Halloween. Nutting compares to the fun of Halloween. So those are really cute. For the This Calls for Confetti, we've got some yummy fall goodness here. We've got fall mixes, so I love these two. They are just so pretty. The leaves are falling orange and pink. So I just love the colors in these. They're so beautiful. We have this one, Autumn Leaves, which is really pretty. The perfect colors for fall. We've got some apples. You can use this to mix in with other sequins. We've got spider webs. So these would be really cute just to paste on the corner of your cards or make your own mix. We've got them in black and white. We've got Simply Meant to Be. This one has some glow-in-the-dark elements in here. And we've got the face, Jack, I think his name is. Really fun. We've got It's Halloween. We've got yellow with orange pumpkins and purple stars. We've got black bats. We've got Frank's Proposal. And then we've got little Frankenstein heads in there. I like those little silver ones with the hole punched out in the middle. We've got Frank, so these are just the heads. So if you want extra Frankenstein heads. We've got Halloween on Main Street. So we've got the little Disney heads mixed in with Halloween colors. So really cute. I think there's even some pumpkins in there. We've got some glow-in-the-dark moons, stars, and bats. Super cute. So you'll see a drop-down menu and you can choose which shape you want. So these will glow in the dark. And then I did restock some of the everyday ones. This is the gold hologram. Just really pretty. The Sparkle All the Way, I use this almost on all of my cards. It just goes with everything. And then this one is the Diamond Sparkle Gems, which also goes with everything. Just super pretty. And the Moonstone, very pretty iridescent color. So it changes colors when you tilted in the light. So very beautiful. To find my This Calls for Confetti, they are under the Scrappy Goodness section, and if you hover over that, you'll see a section just for This Calls for Confetti. So those are all the fall goodies. Check out the website. I do still have a few things left over from Catherine Pooler's release. I do have some pumpkin marshmallow paper left. This is the slimline paper pad. It's so gorgeous. And this is the paper pad. Just really, really, really beautiful. When you pair up all these colors together, oh, it's stunning. You can grab the picnic cows, the stamp of the month, so there are some available. And the coordinating paper we have, Just Grilling, for our paper pad club, goes perfect with the picnic cows. So you can see how cute that Just Grilling paper pad is with those cows. And I also did use the other paper pad nicely with the cows as well. So this is the pink roses that also comes with the Just Grilling paper pad. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed the video, leave it a big thumbs up and leave your comment down below. And I will talk to you in the chats. Bye guys.